Well, hey there, it's David H. Lawrence the 17th, and I'm going to show you just how easy AudioCupcake is to use to convert your raw edited WAV files to the MP3 files that ACX expects and meets their technical standards. We're going to convert them using AudioCupcake, and then I'm going to open them back up in Audacity to show you with ACX check that they all meet the requirements. So first, let's launch AudioCupcake. It opens up and the drag window is right here. Again, I've got 2 corrected files, and then I've got 4 chapters that I just recorded and edited using the stair-step method and exported as WAV files. I'm just going to drag those right across, and you'll notice that when I get on the window, it turns blue, and it tells you that all of the files are correct, and I drop it, and then we'll just wait, and it starts to spit out the MP3 files for each one. As it's doing it, it's creating an RMS normalized file and a peak normalized file, and then converting it to MP3. And as it does all those, it creates the interim files. And if you notice in the Finder window, once it creates those files and finishes writing the MP3, it then deletes those interim files, the RMS file and the RMS plus peak file. We're almost finished here. It goes very fast because it takes advantage of hardware acceleration. Now, I will tell you something. This is the very first time that I have used AudioCupcake to do a book that I'm being paid to do. So let's hope it works. All right, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab the MP3 files, the 2 corrected MP3 files, and then where am I here? 14, 15, 16, and 17, and 18. I think I may have done one too many, but let's see. I'm going to drag these into my MP3 folder. It may tell me, oh no, there we go. All right, great. So those are the ones that I had to do. Now, let's open those. Again, these 5 and the 2 corrected ones. I'll open this up so you can see the titles that I'm doing. I'm going to open these with Audacity, and I'm going to show you with all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them that when we subject a piece of those files to the plugin or the effect or the analyzing tool, ACX check, that it's going to give us a report where they all look great. That's our goal anyway. And so again, all this was done by simply dragging and dropping the WAV files right onto the AudioCupcake drag zone window. So we're almost open here, and once we do it, we'll highlight probably a minute or so of each one, and then we'll see if ACX check reports a great thing. So I'm just going to grab a section at random, just highlight a piece, and then I'm going to go up here to the Analyze, and I'm going to choose ACX check. It will do its stuff. It's going to analyze it and see what happens, and then boom, there it is. Clip meets ACX requirements, passes all 3 of the requirements. There we go. Let's just do this real quickly for the others. I don't want to save that because I've got it in MP3 format. I'm going to highlight the next one. Let's grab a bit of that, analyze it using ACX check. Let's see what happens. It crunches the sample. And I'm choosing these at random because I don't want to game the system. So there we go. Passes ACX, all 3, and then clip meets ACX requirements. That's fantastic. So we will close this one and not save it. Do the same for the rest. Just highlight a piece of it. Go up, analyze, ACX check. I love this. This is actually proving that AudioCupcake works, which is great. And again, this is there we go, passes ACX. This is the very first time that I'm going to be doing this, and then I'm going to be uploading it to ACX when I'm done. So just 3 more, 4 more. Bear with me. This is a moment, and I want to enjoy the moment as we analyze these things. In the next one, I'm going to actually grab the whole, just at random, passes ACX. There we go. I'm going to grab the whole one just in case there's, somebody is thinking, well, he's grabbing a piece of it. So there's the whole one. That includes all the silence and everything. Go to ACX check. It's going to check the whole thing. You don't want to do this with really long chapters because it'll take forever. But there you go. Passes ACX. Fantastic. 2 more, and then we'll be done, and I'll let you get back to your day. But I am having a blast because this is working perfectly. So ACX check. This is the corrected, one of the corrected ones that I did. So I export it again. Passes ACX. Fantastic. And then finally, our last one. Highlight a bigger piece just to have a little fun here. ACX check. And there you go. Passes ACX all the way around. So now all I have to do is take those MP3 files, and in the case of the corrected ones, I need to replace the ones that are already uploaded to ACX with the corrected. I had some pickups to do for him. And then for the last 5 chapters of the book, I'm going to upload those, and off to the races we go. There you go. You have just witnessed the very first commercial use of AudioCupcake, and I'm really excited. AudioCupcake.com, everybody. Thanks.